So the series continues of can an Abarth beat a Golf R in a race. Now the next modifications are not performance based. I have ordered a few bits, we're still waiting for them to be delivered. That'll be in the next video. I've also installed new brakes because I figure that if I can stop quicker than the Golf R, I can stand a bit of a better chance of beating it. I've also had a little bit of cosmetics on the outside done to it. Again, not gonna make it faster, but it's gonna look a bit cooler. But now I'm gonna change the discs and the pads on the Abarth. Like I say, if I can stop quicker than the Golf R, then I've got a bit of a better chance. So here we go.
And yes, I am undoing all the wheel bolts with a normal drill. I broke my impact. So insert all the hate in the comment section.
It's going to make my life considerably more difficult. Somebody has now decided they want to put a mess in there, that's what we're doing.
Removing the old brake pads, I've realised there's actually quite a lot left on them. But it is what it is. I'm now removing the caliper bracket and trying not to let all the rubbish blow all over the driveway. I will get around to changing the colour possibly of the actual calipers rather than yellow. I'm not really sure about the yellow if I'm honest, it's a bit too bright, but we'll see. I'm just using a wide brush to clean up the hub and just giving it a little bit of copper grease just to make it a little bit easier to come off the next time. I followed up the brake disc with the wheel space and I also give that a little bit of copper grease and then attempted to try and put this retaining screw into the disc, which was a little bit more difficult than it looked. Don't forget that the guys at Abarth Tuning have given you a 5% discount on your entire order when you use the discount code LIAMFREEMAN at the checkout. So whether you're after interior, exterior, engine mods, anything Abarth, head over to abarthtuning.com and get yourself a 5% discount. Again, thanks very much Abarth Tuning. So after the brakes were done, I took a trip down to a local paint shop to go and have a look at some of the samples that I've got. Now, I didn't want to go back to black, but then I also didn't want to go too out there. They had so many variety of different colours at the paint shop. It was really difficult to choose, but I was happy when I whittled it down to the last few that I think that this is really going to set the car off. So I got Graham from Getford to come and do the wheels for me today. He's first of all just sanding back all of the old nasty paint that was on it. There was a lot of runs on it, a lot of curbed marks. We're just sanding back all the runs from the old paintwork with this little mouse sander.
Yeah, so wait till you turn it round. That'll be here so you can see it.
Alright, I'm still learning.
Look there.
What's that? Oh, is that a drip?
You can see it, look, so yeah. It is a drip. A drip. Sanding a drip.
What about that there? That black one?
Yeah, that's fine. It's just that when there's a run in the middle of the spoke.
Oh, okay.
So I've got to do it gently. Okay. Let the sanding do the work, not the fucking. Right, okay. Oh, that's considerably better, isn't it? I think this is why you do this and I don't. Good. Ah, you missed these two, didn't you? Have I? Yeah, that one's good. Oh, yeah.
Graham's just going around the edges now, just with a little bit of etch primer, just in case of any exposed metal from when we were sanding it back and making it all clean. This just prevents any rust coming through. But again, I do like the black, but we're not going for it. I've got my chosen colour. As you can see, Graham is now putting down the new colour. Now, put in the comment section whether you like it or you don't. The first coat is always going to be the lightest. As we build up the layers of paint, probably 2 or 3 coats we would say with something like this. It's starting to look a little bit darker the more coats Graham puts on. Graham allowed me just to give this a go. Now, it is a lot more difficult than it looks. There's definitely a talent to it. So if you're wanting any of your wheels refurbishing, a fresh new colour, you can head over to Instagram and Facebook at Getford and he'll be able to sort you out.
ombre in that? Yeah. Can you? Right, do it like... Yeah, okay. Get out. I know, my vinyl one does, yeah.
Sticking with this then?
Go for it.
Now that the wheels have had 3 coats, it is now time to do the centre caps. The colour looks a little bit gold under this light, I think, but I'm trusting that once it's in the natural light, it might lighten up.
Now for the lacquer coat, I was really unsure of this colour to start with, but I think what it is these lights, because that seems really dark in the pot, and then on the wheel it looks very much like a Subaru Gold, which we don't want. But centre caps are all sprayed already. Again, they look really gold, but they're not like that when they're actually natural light. So Graham's doing a fine job.
Does look a little bit darker in the light, but it's nowhere near as gold as what it is under them fluorescent lights. Can we make an Abarth faster than a Golf R? Yes, this is not a speed modification, but we've made a bit of a difference on it, which this young man here has done a grand job of it. They were black, we've just changed them a little bit. I do think it looks a lot better. Got a few things planned, a few things lined up. Hopefully we'll see the Golf R again soon. And we've also upgraded the brakes, because I figure that if I can stop quicker than the Golf R, then I've got a good chance giving it a bit of a run for its money. We've been looking at a few things on how to test the Golf R against the Abarth on some places that we can do. Definitely going to do a drag race and a few other sort of little circuits, but yeah, brakes done, calipers done, induction kit's done. So, what we're doing today? Well, we'll have a morning out. We're going to go down to Centurion in Leicester. We're going to take this with us. This is not going on the road. Something else is going on there, Dyno. So, this is now warmed up. Come on then, let's go and have a look, see what we can do.
I think that was definitely a first run, right? Got to have been.
I don't know, that's just a test.
Or was that a tester?
I wouldn't be very happy about something next to that.
So I think it's going to be 350. I think this little thing's got a lot to worry about now, all of a sudden.
Well, once you got the injectors in that.
Oh yeah, the injectors, that's, yeah, of course, yeah. Graham just told me that he's not going to tell me something that this guy has just told him. I don't know, I am a little bit worried about this. Not going to lie. So do you know then?
Yeah. Well, I know what the second one was.
Oh, okay. Were you shocked then when he told you that?
Yeah. You built this well. Well, to be fair, I've only had it just over a year. Now from burning a bit of oil, it's a thing that they do. Yeah, I had to top it up the other day actually. Yeah. Keep your eye on it. I topped it up.
So come on then.
You got some catching up to do, pal.
What you got? Give us some numbers then.
387. So we'll say 390. Always round up, don't you?
Right. Well,
to be fair,
I think I need some new content because I don't think this is going to work, do you?
I wasn't expecting that, I'm not going to lie.
No.
I was thinking 320, 330, but not 390.
You got to be happy with that though, sure.
Oh, I'm buzzing. When he told me, I went, school child, giddy school child.
Well, you did, yeah, did go a little bit giddy, didn't you? Oh, mate, that's cool. So what's next for it? Are you doing anything to it?
I don't need to, do I? Because you're not going to catch me up here, so.
I think that's a challenge, don't you? I think that's a challenge. Yeah, I think I might need to find some new content.
I wasn't expecting that.
No, I definitely wasn't. I, for one, was not expecting that. There's some big numbers, and there's some big numbers to chase. I don't even think Ray was expecting those figures. We were looking about the 320 mark, possibly, but not 387 with 400 brake. That's a pretty fast car, and for four-wheel drive as well. This thing's got its work cut out. Big thanks to Centurion for having us this morning. Got a little road trip planned for this little thing soon. Might need a passport, who knows. But yeah, don't forget, subscribe, like it, drop a comment on anything we see today with the wheels or the brakes, or even the dyno run. Let us know what you think. But until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care of yourself.